Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to unbox my November Stamp and Die Hard set from the Stamps of Life. This is my Die Hard Club kit. I also received 2 dies this month free for being a Die Hard Club member. And so let's see what the free ones are. Cute little tag it looks like, with some accessories. Oh yes, so we have this tag here. It has the little top so you can add the scallop edge. How cute. Has two hearts and a star. Oh, this is a cute little set. So that was free this month, as well as the second one here. And this one says get well soon, and you can make a shaker out of it because there's a shadow piece. You can do all types of things with that one, and that one's a good sized piece. It's probably around 2 inches. Yep, 2 by 2. And this one's probably a little more than 2, and then about 1 1/4. So that was the 2 free dies for this month. And then it's so cute, this month's theme, the pocket. And so there are a few sentiments, and let me just use this so I can show it to you. So it is a pocket full of sunshine, birthdays, and then pocket full of hugs, wishes, whatever you want to do. A little pocket money for you. Hello there, joy. And it's got the nail brads and the stitching, and they're all separate pieces, I believe. Yes. Yep. So this looks like a fun set. And then the die we got that I just ripped apart has a bunch of layers to the pocket. How fun! And all of this in the club kit. Look at how many dies you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dies. And then if you wanted to add my free ones, that's even more. But there's 10 dies. And these are the different layers of pockets. It actually makes a pocket, and I will make a pocket and I will be right back. Okay, I cut them out and I'm just gonna assemble them really quickly. But how cool is it? So this is the bigger one. I'm gonna crease the folds or burnish the folds. Okay, so that's where you're going to put your adhesive on this folded part. Let me work on that. Oh, these are skinny enough. So I have these 3M double-sided, I believe. Yeah. Double-sided strips that I'm going to use. got the tape on that. Then I'm just gonna layer the pockets. And then I just have a piece of cardstock. I'm just going to, does it even fit? Yeah, I'm just going to adhere it to this cardstock so you can see the pocket. So hopefully that's straight. But there you go. And then you have your little pocket. And you can add whatever you want in your pocket. A little note. Or anything you would like. And then the smaller one, I cut the smaller one out. And the other dies that spell out hugs, I was gonna put this down here in the corner. I don't think so though. Maybe that up there. We'll see, we'll see. But this one, just to burnish the, those are kind of skinny, so I might just use my glue. It's just glitter art glue. And I have another piece of blank cardstock I was just going to so the glue just takes a little longer to dry. So just want to hold it a little more to make sure. Oh, here it is. And then I'm just going to layer the pieces. And there you go. And then you have your little pocket. So even this, I can just cut this out to use it for an embellishment on something else. It's already backed on the white cardstock. And it has the pocket. So there you go. Yeah, so that's a cute die. I can't wait for the club card kit to come, and then I can really play. Well, I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Again, this is from the Stamps of Life. It is their Die Hard Club Kit. It does come out every month. They do have a kit that comes out. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing, joining me on my crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas.